Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the new 2026 Ford Ranger Raptor. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle's going to be powered by a 3-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the Raptor's graphics package, and is just pure power. We do get dual rear exhaust, dual tow hooks. We got the rear park sensing for safety. Your backup camera. We do get a bed liner on this vehicle as well, which is always pretty handy. The nice Raptor's graphics. We got a nice increased ride height on this vehicle for off-roading. Some nice beefy off-road wheels and rims. We got the Raptor gripped running boards with blind spot detection, side view camera. We do get remote start on this vehicle as well, which is always pretty handy. High clearance fender flares on each of the wheel wells with some nice skid plates at the bottom, recovery hooks, block heater, front park sensing, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior with some suede. Got the orange accents as well. Carpet interior, you do get floor mats, all-weather floor mats. We do get plenty of door space in the back as well. Some storage, USB, USB-C, 120 volt, and you do get a bench seat where you can lift up and have under-seat storage. And behind there, cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see we have fully powered driver and passenger seat buckets. Pretty nice. You got the more orange on the seats up front. You got the suede, the Raptor logo on the front seats. Plenty of door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks. You got power folding mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, lights, the orange accents on the vents, which is all pretty nice. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we got the odometer sitting at 17 kilometers. Got this nice leather wrap steering wheel with the orange accents. We got a steering wheel mode, which is normal, comfort, and sport. Toggle-free screen, Raptor mode, which you can customize all these modes to what you like. Damper, such as normal, sport, and off-road. You have your exhaust mode, depending on like how loud you want it. We got normal, sport, Baja, and quiet. But who wants quiet, right? Playback, play forward, phone, voice, volume, cruise control, paddle shifters. And looking at our main screen here, you got your digital speedometer, RPMs, all the usuals for that. My view, trip and fuel, off-road, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, you only get this gear select on the Raptors. That's a nice classic custom look to it. Got your modes, parking brake, park assist, hazards, auto stop, auto start, your trail control, which will just give you like a little guidance line. Drive modes, 4-wheel drive, and tow and haul, cup holders, storage, wireless charging with some outlets, and you do get your storage below with a 12-volt. Basic climate controls at the bottom, which is always helpful, and you do get your trailer brake, engine start stop, storage below, little storage here, and above me, Upfitter switches that you can set up however you please, and our features for our powered rear window opener, garage door transmitter, and I'm just going to exit out of the screen, and we get this nice big infotainment system with all your climate controls at the bottom, dual climate, heated front seats and steering wheel, navigation, you can search, raise and save, zoom in and out, go into 3D mode, voice controls, and all your apps are here, such as radio, which you have AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, phone, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, little sketch mode. You can sketch some notes in here, pretty nice. You can save it for later, totally up to you. Towing, vehicle settings, you can customize this vehicle however you like, auto hold, off-road mode, calm screen, and your lovely 360 view of the vehicle. Change the camera angles, totally up to you as well, and you can connect your phone. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE34049, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.